Hello guys, I'm Behnam from Behnam Tech YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn what is expand tabs method in Python strings. But before that, we should learn a new topic that is slash t in Python. For example, we have an example, hello world, and if we print it, we will get the hello world. Nothing special here. And when we add t slash t here is tab. It will be replaced with a for space. And let me erase this space here. And when we run this, we get hello world with a for space between of them. And expand tabs here is going to change the number of space that slash t will be have. The default is a for space, and here by adding an integer, for example 15, we can change slash t to 15 space between two words. Remember that we don't specify for just a unique slash t. If we add a slash t everywhere, this will be not counted. Slash t here, every of them will be 15, replaced with 15 space. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and feel free to like this video.